how to earn money online for students without investment. Being a student is often a very important phase in a person's life. However, studying is a full-time occupation, so students who are looking to earn a bit of money start searching for part-time jobs that don't affect their studies. Other concerns for students are how to earn money online without making a large investment or finding jobs that require minimal experience. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. And here's the good news. There are actually a number of online part-time jobs for students where they can earn money at home. 1. Freelancing. It is one of the easiest ways for students to earn money online. You can be a freelancer for anything you like to do, such as video editing, content writing, photography, social media handling, and video making. Their work requires 3 to 4 hours in a day to get a decent income. You even have a choice of working on weekends. The quantity of work you wish to do is flexible. On average, a freelancer can earn $5,000 to $20,000 per month. The earning depends on the quantity and quality of work you have provided to the client. 2. Virtual assistant jobs. It doesn't require any administrative skills, and they just have to be good at their organizational and communication skills. Services such as data entry, social media management, research on any topic, and maintaining a website are included in the virtual assistant job. Income is based on the organization you are working with and on what basis they judge you. It could be anything. It can be the number of services you have provided or how long you have worked on the project. 3. Blogging. Do you have good writing skills? Do you enjoy researching different topics? So, are you always excited to share your thoughts in front of everyone? Then you should go for a part-time blogging job. It is the most legit way of earning money online by just writing your experience or thoughts and publishing blogs online. In the beginning, you can start for free, and the blogging site will pay you to blog. 4. Social media influencer. Suppose you are passionate about something or have excellent knowledge and information on any topic and want to share your ideas in front of the world. In that case, being a social media influencer is a great start. You can be a social media influencer on channels like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Brands pay you to showcase their products. 5. Graphic designer. Having a creative mind is one of the great things. If you like to design or draw colors, or like animation, you can try your career as a graphic designer. Their job is to design and edit photographs, videos, websites, promotive material, logos, and business cards, and make them appealing and can catch the eye of the targeted audience. A person needs to work 2 to 4 hours per day to earn a decent income. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.